Good morning, children. Welcome back. So, now let us know about some grammar points. Previously, I told you about the parts of speech. So, now in that, let us know the second part, that is pronoun. Before that, do you know what is a noun? A noun is a name of a person, place, animals, birds, or a thing. Likewise, a word that is used in place of a noun or a phrase that contains a noun is a pronoun. Example: I, he, she, it, they. So, there are 8 types of pronouns: personal pronouns, possessive pronouns, indefinite pronouns, relative pronouns, intensive pronouns, demonstrative pronouns, interrogative pronouns, and reflexive pronouns. So, children, you have to know how to use these pronouns. How you're going to use the pronouns if there is a first person, second person, third person in singular form and plural form if there is a male or a female. Now let you know. Just watch this video. Be watching how you're going to use the pronouns. Here, come on, look it. Pronoun. First person, if is a singular, you use I. And if it is a second person singular, you. Third person singular, if he is a male, you use he. Third person singular, if she is a female, you use she. Third person, it. So, for example, you said it is a dog, it is a book, isn't it? So, here it comes to third person it. First person plural we. Second person plural you. Third person plural they. So, these are the pronouns which you use in first, second, third person, singular and plural. What are their uses? How they are going to be used? Here, come on, watch it. Pronouns. First person singular, second person singular, third person singular, that is in male, third person singular, that is in female, third person and first person plural, second person plural, third person plural. So yes, here when there is a subject pronouns, you use I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they. When there is a object pronouns, me, you, him, her, it, us, you, them. When there is a possessive adjectives, my, your, his, her, its, our, your, their. When there is a possessive pronouns, mine, yours, his, hers, its, ours, yours, theirs. When there is a reflexive pronoun, you use myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourselves, yourselves, themselves. So, understood now? Like this, you use the pronouns. I, me, my, mine, myself. You, your, yours, yourself. He, him, his, himself. Her, hers, herself. It, its, itself. We, us, our, ourself. Yours, yourself. They, them, their, theirs, themselves. So like this you are going to use the pronouns in first person, second person, third person, singular form, plural form, male and female, and in third person you use this. So now you have to know what is a subject pronouns. Now you are going to use your I. Why are you using I in subject pronouns? So what is subject pronouns? What is a subject pronoun? So, subject pronouns are used to replace nouns that are the subject of the sentence. They can be first, second, or third person. They can also be singular or plural. The subject pronouns are I, you, he, she, it, we, they. Isn't it? So now next, what is object pronouns? Object pronouns are those pronouns that receive the action in a sentence. They are me, you, him, her, us, them, and whom. Any noun receiving and action in the sentence like these pronouns is an object and is categorized as objective case. So now next what it is? Possessive adjectives. What is it? Possessive adjectives. The possessive adjectives are my, your, his, her, its, their, and whose. A possessive adjective sits before a noun or a pronoun to show who or what owns it. And next what it is? Possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns include my, mine, our, ours, its, his, her, hers, their, theirs, your, and yours. These are all words that demonstrate ownership. If the book belongs to me, then it is mine, isn't it? If the book belongs to you, it is yours, isn't it? Likewise, if the book belongs to me, then it is mine. Next, reflexive pronoun. Reflexive pronouns is that which has 9 reflexive pronouns: myself, yourself, himself, herself, oneself, itself, ourselves, yourselves, and themselves. The reflexive pronouns are words ending in self or selves that are used when the subject and the objects of the sentence are the same. Example, I believe in myself. They can act as either objects or indirect objects. So now you know the uses of pronouns. In what way you are going to use the pronouns. Just understand once again, watch the video and look through it. If you have a grammar book, just refer it and take the help of your parents too. Thank you.